The Dowie dens of Yarrow. Dowie comes the word for dove in Scots is dow or do, D-O-W, and dowie, it means mournful, okay, like a mourning dove, that kind of mournful. Became an adjective that way. The Dowie dens, could translate it to the gloomy dens, but it doesn't have the right feel. Den is a glen or a ravine. Yarrow is a hamlet, a little town, and it's also the name of Yarrow Water, the river, and also the name of a parish, an area. His hair was full 5 quarters long. He had very long hair. An ell is it's a couple inches longer than a yard. I don't know what it is in, maybe it's like a meter, I don't know. Anyway, he had very long hair. Who is he? Well, you're going to find out. As I get my key once again. At Dryhope lived a lady fair, the fairest flower in Yarrow, and she refused 9 noblemen for a servant lad in Calvert. Her father said that he should fight the 9 lords on the morrow, and he that should the victor be would win the rose of Yarrow. She kissed his lips and combed his head, as oft she'd done before. She set him on her milk-white steed to fight for her in Yarrow. When he got o'er yon high hill, and down the flat so narrow, was there he saw 9 armed men in the Dowie dens of Yarrow. There's 9 of you and 1 of me, which makes the chances narrow. But I will fight you man for man to win the rose of Yarrow. And there he flew, and there he slew, and there he wounded sorrow, when her brother sprang from a bush behind, and ran his body through. They took the young man by the heels, and trailed him like a harrow, and then they threw his body to a whirlpool in Yarrow. The lady said, I dreamed a dream that fills my heart with sorrow. I dreamed I was pulling the heather green in the Dowie dens of Yarrow. Her brother said, I'll read your dream and take it not in sorrow. Go to your true love if you please, for he's sleeping sound in Yarrow. She sought him east, she sought him west, and searched the forest thorough, until she spied her own true love, lying deeply drowned in Yarrow. His hair was full 5 quarters long, the color was of yellow. She twined it round her lily hand and drew him out of Yarrow. She kissed his lips and combed his head, as oft she'd done before. She laid him o'er her milk-white steed and bore him home from Yarrow. I meant to make my bed full wide, but you may make it narrow, for now I've none to make me a bride, but a dead man drowned in Yarrow. Go hold your tongue, her father said, and take it not in sorrow. I'll wed ye to a better match than a servant lad in Gala. Go hold your own tongue, father dear, and breed me no more sorrow. A better lord was never born than the lad I've lost in Yarrow. Take home your oxen, take home your cows, for they have bred our sorrow. I wish that they had all gone mad when they came first to Yarrow. I recorded this on Rymer's Tower, Ballads of the Anglo-Scottish Border. It's generally known as the Dowie Dens of Yarrow. I call it the Rose of Yarrow. It's about her. It's based on the version of Dowie Dens of Yarrow contributed by William Welsh, Peebleshire cotter and poet, tuned from Mrs. Calvert, Gilnockie, in the Borders, Eskdale, as learned from her grandmother Tibbie Shiel.